Jack lived in a small town. He was very hardworking and smart, but he had one big weakness. He could not control his anger and desires. Whenever someone teased him, he would immediately get angry and start a fight. Whenever he saw some delicious food, he would eat it without thinking, even if he was not hungry. Whatever he felt like doing, he would do it without thinking about the consequences. His parents would explain to him that he should control his behavior. But Jack did not understand this. One day he made a big mistake in school. His friend Nathan jokingly made a small mark on his drawing. Jack got furious. Without thinking, he pushed Nathan, causing him to fall and hurt his hand. When the school principal came to know about this, he called Jack and said in a strict tone, "You have to learn to control your anger. Otherwise, it will harm you a lot." That day, Jack realized that this habit of his could get him into trouble, but he could not understand how to change himself. He talked to his grandfather Adam about this. Adam was very wise. He said, "If you really want to change yourself, then I will give you a challenge. For a week, whenever you get angry, you will take a deep breath for 10 seconds and then answer. Whenever you need something, you will first think whether it is really necessary or not. If you can do this, then you will learn to control yourself." Jack accepted this challenge, but it was not as easy as he thought. On the very first day, his younger brother Liam threw his books here and there. Jack got angry, but he remembered what his grandfather said and took a deep breath for 10 seconds. When he calmed himself down, he realized that he was getting angry for no reason. The second day, his mother didn't make his favorite food. Jack got very angry and was about to shout, but then he stopped himself and thought, "Is this really such a big deal?" He ate the food without complaining and realized that he felt calmer than before. On the third day, there was another big test at school. A boy dropped his pencil and started making fun of him. Jack would have gotten angry and fought with him earlier, but this time he calmed himself down and just smiled and said, "It's okay." The boy felt awkward and walked away. Jack realized that things could get better with restraint. Slowly, a week passed, and Jack felt that he was able to control his anger and desires more than before. He told his grandfather, "Now I really feel the difference. Earlier, I used to react without thinking, but now I think about everything and decide carefully." Adam smiled and said, "This is the real strength, son. External strength does not matter. The real strength is what is inside us, the power to control ourselves. One who can control his mind can achieve anything in the world." Jack now understood that real strength is not just of the body, but it is equally important to control one's thoughts and emotions.